Invoicing, tax filing, and business management, two Indian billing apps are going head-to-head, Go GST Bill and Vyapar. Both claim to simplify your accounting life in 2026, but only one actually delivers the value it promises. Welcome to GigaBits, the channel where we test and review the digital tools that claim to make your work smarter, faster, and easier. If you love real-world app comparisons and honest reviews, hit that subscribe button, because this one's going to save you time and money. I spent several days testing both Go GST Bill and Vyapar, creating invoices, syncing inventory, and running reports on mobile and desktop. Both apps target small and medium businesses in India, especially shop owners and freelancers who need GST-compliant invoices. But they take very different approaches. Vyapar has been the long-standing favorite, a solid all-in-one billing and accounting solution. Go GST Bill, meanwhile, is newer and markets itself as the faster, cloud-first alternative with automation built right in. So in 2026, which one truly deserves your trust? The veteran or the challenger? Vyapar promises simplicity, offline billing, inventory tracking, expense management, and detailed reports, all designed for non-accountants. Go GST Bill claims to take that even further, with real-time cloud backup, automatic GST return support, and advanced analytics. On paper, both sound great, but when you start using them daily, the differences in speed, stability, and usability become very clear. User interface and ease of use. Vyapar keeps things very beginner-friendly. Everything is clearly labeled, and even first-time users can generate invoices in seconds. Go GST Bill feels more modern, faster menus, better design, and a cleaner dashboard that's built around cloud syncing. If you like minimal, Go GST Bill feels smoother, but Vyapar still wins for familiarity. Features and functionality. Vyapar has powerful offline capabilities, so you can bill even without an internet connection. Great for local shops. Go GST Bill focuses on real-time collaboration and automated data sync, which gives it an edge for businesses working across multiple devices. GST compliance and reports. Both handle GST seamlessly. Tax calculation, HSN codes, and return summaries are built in. However, Go GST Bill updates faster with the latest GST rules and offers better integration for online filing. Performance and support. Vyapar has excellent local support, tons of tutorials, and a massive user community. Go GST Bill support is improving, but still catching up in terms of response speed. In tests, Go GST Bill handled cloud tasks slightly faster, but Vyapar remained more stable during offline use. So, will Go GST Bill win against Vyapar in 2026? If you want an offline, reliable billing app that just works, Vyapar is still hard to beat. But if you're looking for modern design, faster, cloud integration, and automation, Go GST Bill is clearly stepping up as the smarter choice for the future. In short, Vyapar is the dependable old-school accountant. Go GST Bill is the digital assistant ready for the cloud-first generation. At the end of the day, it depends on your business style, traditional or digital. Either way, both apps make managing your invoices and GST a lot easier. If this comparison helped you decide, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits for more tech and business app reviews every week. Hit that like button if you enjoy honest comparisons, and tell me in the comments, which app are you using right now? Go GST Bill or Vyapar? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we break down the tools that power your business.